It's coming back. It's coming back. Oh, he went under. Look at that. Woo! Robomaster is in the show. Look at that. Woohoo! Drifting. Sport mode. Sport mode. Drifting. Woo! Drifting. Drifting. Woo! Drifting. 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 Oh, look at that. Look at that. Woohoo! Look at that go. Yeah. This way. I mean, it's pretty good. I like the way it is, to be honest with you. If this thing follows you and you can do this, especially in the sand, I'm pretty happy. You know, think about it. The reason why it's kind of slow, it's not as fast, because you're talking about battery. Remember, this is 35 minutes ride time. So with the ride time, you can still able to, you know, maintain your rideable. All right, I'm gonna go right here. Look at that. Woo! Look at it go. Ah, that was fun, man. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Woo! Look at that. Wow, whole package. Look at that. Yeah, drift. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and back this guy up. And that's it. And come back this way.